सुरूपं यथा वा कलत्रं यशश्चारुचित्रं धनं मेरुतुल्यं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं कलत्रं धनं पुत्रपौत्रादि सर्वं गृहं बान्धवा सर्वमेतधिजातं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं षडङ्गादिवेदो मुखे शास्त्रविद्या कवित्वादिगद्यं सुपद्यं करोति गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं विदेशेषु मान्यः स्वदेशेषु धन्यः सदाचारवृत्तेषु मत्तो न चान्यः गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं क्षमामण्डले भूपभूपालवृन्दै सदा सेवितं यस्य पादारविन्दं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं यशो मे गतं दीक्षुदाना प्रतापा जगतस्तु सर्वं करे यत्प्रसादात् गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं न भोगेन योगेन वा वाजिराजौ न कान्तामुखेनैव वित्तेषु चित्तं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् अरण्येन वा स्वस्य गेहेन कालेन देहेवनु वर्तते वेत्त्वनर्घ्ये गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् अनर्घ्याणि रत्नानि मुक्तानि सम्यक् समालिङ्गता कामिनी यामिनीषु गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं शरीरं सुरूपं यथा वा कलत्रं यशश्चारुचित्रं धनं मेरुतुल्यं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं कलत्रं धनं पुत्रपौत्रादि सर्वं गृहं बान्धवा सर्वमेतधिजातं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे मनश्चेन लग्नं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं षडङ्गादिवेदो मुखे
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the evening session. Before we start our today's session, just wanted to get confirmation that if you can hear us and see us, so that we can start our session. All good, Pawanji has confirmed. Good evening, Pawanji. Good evening, Shivani. Welcome, Sureshji. Divya. Good evening, Poonamji, Tapasya, Sudhakarji, Shaheen, Sarji Raoji, Lakshmiji, Surendraji. Good evening, very good evening to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us today. It's always good evening, Preeti. Nice to be with you all to look for another beautiful session. So those who are joining first time today, we here at evening session, this evening session is from Monday to Friday, 6:30 to 7:30. And then on Zoom we do on Saturday and Sunday morning 8 to 9:30. What do we do in these sessions? Basically, it's a humble effort to come together as a community and do something as a community so that we are not left alone, and learn the skills to align our mind, to align our body, and to align our energy so that we can stay away from all the uncertainties uncertain times has to offer. At Mita Wellness, we learn things, very deep things, in a very simple way. That is how I can define, without complicating it much, in a simple definitions and on a practical basis, not on something beliefs or any belief system. We are not a religious organization, nor do we believe in followership. The basic principle of Mita Wellness is, and the belief system is, that everyone has a power inside them, and there are methods which many gurus have developed over the period of time, right from Gautam Buddha 2500 years ago till today's age Guru, Sadguru. So all these every guru has given something beautiful to this community, and our effort is to bring those things to you. So you don't have to go anywhere. I myself traveled 70,000-80,000 kilometers around 8-9 years across the globe to find the peace, find the answer to my questions. And we bring you at your doorstep. So you don't have to go that 60-70,000 kilometer. Don't have to spend 8-9 years of your life just to find the truth. We bring you straight to your doorstep. Many times I tell in my sessions that Australia has been blessed because all the rivers Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Bhagirathi all have come to Sydney now. It's now up to us that how many of you can take advantage of it. We have been blessed that last 2 years we have been helping almost 10,000 people have visited us, and so many more are joining every day. And the good thing is that we are building this community trust in each other, that the people can come together without any motto, with just one common aim to elevate ourselves and to elevate others surrounding us by doing simple things. And I am very proud to say that within very short period of time we have made a very beautiful extended family. The care and the messages I get, I cannot imagine, I cannot explain how beautiful those messages are. Sometimes it makes everything worthwhile. And I really thank you for joining for today evening session. So those who have joined first time, what we do is, first we do some kriya, second we do some pranayam, third we do meditation. Now only two things a beginner, if you are just a beginner and doing first time, only two things you have to remember, that while you are with us for next 45 minutes, create no resistance. Don't create any judgment, don't analyze it, just go with the flow. You are at the home, you might face lot of disturbance from your kids or anywhere. Let them do what they are doing, don't stop them. Don't force anyone to join you. You do what you want to do, let them do what they are doing. Create no resistance. Even if your kid comes and sit on your shoulder, accept it with smiling face. So acceptance is the key to learn any spiritual process, yoga, meditation. Otherwise, you will keep creating aversions by small disturbance. Second thing is to give 100% what you do, without judgment. We also discussed in our last so many weeks, we are doing now this every day. Those who are regular, they know. The main aim of this session is to learn, to anchor our mind into the present moment. Because mind has developed this sickness that with every thought it goes to past or future. When I say past, it can be just 5 minutes before. When I say future, it can be 5 minutes after. And our mind has developed this sickness that it never lets us enjoy in present. It always uses present as a means to end. Keeps telling us that the next moment will be better than this moment. And the whole life we spend waiting for next perfect moment. Whereas the present moment itself is a perfect. But mind tells us all the time, this more. And we keep spending that time and use our present as a means to end, to achieve something in future. That is the technique of mind to keep running. Because of this dysfunction of our mind, we lose out on a precious life which is happening right now, right here in present. So all our kriyas are like that. that we relearn to be in present. And present is all there is. So we relearn. So whenever we are doing Kriya, we say, feel your movements, feel your touch of your hand, trying to keep your mind and body at one place. Most of the time your body is here, mind is somewhere else. That means you are only having 50% of life experience. That is why when somebody dies, they think, oh my God, where my life has gone, I never lived, I forgot to live. So we learn this small technique of being in present so that we can live our life 100%. With that, let's start our Kriya. Take long deep breath in and let it go. Keep your back straight, little bit, neck tilted up. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. With next long deep breath in, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Become aware of your face. Become aware of sensation on your face. Turn your neck towards your left as much as possible. Let it go till the end, and then slowly, slowly your right hand palm comes on your right cheek and press your cheek onto the palm, feeling the touch of the palm, sensation of the palm, the temperature of the palms. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down. Feel the movement of your hand going towards right. Go as much as possible. Create no resistance. Slowly, slowly hand goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Neck coming into center. Both the palm onto forehead and press your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly, again hand going down. Now towards left again. Feel the moment. Become aware of all the touch, movements. Become aware of the thoughts inside your head. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Turn your neck towards right. Hand going to your cheek, left cheek. Press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down. Both the hand to forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. Gentle smile on the face. 1. Press your back of the head on your palm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Slowly, slowly hand coming down. Now, what we are going to do is neck. We'll do neck. The neck goes down like this and make half circle. This is for Vishuddhi Chakra, which deals with truth but often blocked by lies. We are trying to reopen the chakras. Again from opposite. Not a full circle. Keep doing 3 to 4 times. The whole attention should be inside your movements. Become aware what is going on in your head. Without judging or labeling. Alright, let's do shoulder. Now on your knee, make a circle like this with your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, shoulder blade touching each other. 5, 6, give your 100%. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, very good. You are doing well. Alright. Now we'll do Anahata Chakra, which is heart chakra. This is most important chakra because this is the center chakra. 3 above it, 3 below it. The heart chakra is the one. Once if you open your heart chakra, rest all the chakras are very easy to open. But what we do is, because of our bad experiences in life, because of our uncertainty, because of experience, we close this heart chakra, we close the door of our heart with the grief. So unless and until heart chakra opens, it represented with two triangle, one facing upward, one facing downwards. If you keep closing your heart chakra with a grief, your journey goes downwards into the hell, they call it. Hell, not that hell which people tell us in scripture. Hell means in the living we find unpleasant experiences. Okay. So if you open the heart chakra, life becomes so beautiful again. Then now for heart chakra, go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Very good. Now for Manipuraka chakra, take your forehead, go down, come up, go down in the center. Feel all the movement. Come up, go down, on right knee and come back. Now again, come back into the center. Feel the movements of your body. Try to anchor your mind into this present moment. Come back. We are not learning all these things to teach others. We are learning this for our benefit, to open our own chakras, to access to the extra energy, and to stop what we waste every day. Your unconscious thinking is the major discharge of your energy. Your battery goes down flat only because of this thinking, unconscious thinking, whole day, talking inside the head. Most of us don't live outside, we live in our head. Until the time we live in our head, our life remains miserable. Because life is not happening inside the head, life is happening outside. We have to come out of this bad habit pattern of living inside the head by being in present, by learning to be in present. Now full circle, from left knee to center to the back. Very good. Go back as much as possible. Feel the movement. Now opposite. Manipura chakra. This chakra deals with doership, willpower. People who cannot sit for a minute, cannot rest. When I say rest, not only physical rest, but most importantly mental rest. Now open your left leg. We all sleep. The only rest we know is that we sleep. Now when you sleep, your mind is still active. Your mind is thinking, dreaming. So only in meditation, your body relaxes, your mind relaxes. Go up, go down, go up, go down, go up. Only in deep sleep you get some energy, cosmic energy. On that small portion, like 10 minutes in whole night sleep, you go into deep dark sleep. But rest of the time you are dreaming. Now, imagine if you can get that deep rest while you are awake. Only in the meditation you get that. Now, other leg. 1, 2, 3. Swadhisthana chakra. This chakra deals with the pleasure. People with a pleasure seeking attitude. When I say pleasure, it's not only to do body pleasure, mind pleasure. Simple pleasures like when you have a full stomach dinner, still you want some sweets. Remember, only humans are worse than animal in this case. If a lion is hungry and he eats full stomach, even the beautiful deer goes in front of him, he will not eat it. But only humans, even after having a full tummy meal, they want something more to top it up. Now Shishupalasana, rocking baby pose. लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी दूध में बताशा मुन्ना करे तमाशा Lalla, lalla. Where is the stretch going? Towards Mooladhara chakra, also called as root chakra, deals with insecurities, fears. This is one of the basic survival chakra. So top three chakras are survival. Kiss your baby. Very good. Now opposite with the twins. One more time. Lalla lalla lori, दूध की कटोरी, दूध में बताशा, मुन्ना करे तमाशा. Keep doing. Feel where the stretch is coming. Keep your eyes closed and see where the stretch is coming. Now, by now, most of you must have been able, in this 5th week of ours, most of you must be now able to kiss your baby. Imagine when you started, how it feel and how now we feel. Kiss your baby. Very good. Alright, now we are going to do butterfly pose. So in butterfly pose, first pose is go down as much as possible. Down, 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 down. Try to touch your knee to the ground as much as possible. Second, go up, 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 up. More up. Bring your leg closer. Close. So this is 2. 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2 goes up and down, up and down. Keep your eyes closed and feel the stretch. This particular asana will help you. There are many people, they cannot sit down. So this asana will strengthen your foundation and help you to sit. Many people say we will do yoga meditation when we are old. When you are old, you can't do anything because your body will not support it. Only when you are young and have no problem, then only you have to start doing this because your life will become more beautiful. I always say when you are okay, then only you have to start. Not when you have some problems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Relax. Very good. Well done. Before we start with pranayam and today's special meditation, please take 2-minute break. Stand up, walk, do whatever you want to do. Stretch little bit so that you can sit next half an hour. And I can see there are around 40 people, and I request you to share the video because not many of you been sharing. We want to reach to many people and let everyone enjoy. I can see how many people have shared. So in this 1 minute, I want each one of you to share this video so that many people can join in this 2-minute break. Thank you so much. We'll come back in 2 minutes. Just got message saying baby is not giving chance to kiss. It will give, don't worry. You have to keep trying, so it will give chance. Hope you have taken the break. Now we will start with the pranayam. First we will do Bhastrika with both the hand, and then we will do Kapal Bharti, then we will do Anulom Vilom, and then we will start our meditation. Both the hand beside your shoulder, close your mouth only with the nostril. Force oxygen in, force carbon dioxide out. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, out, 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 in out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Give your 100%. Breathe in, out, out, in, out. Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out, in, 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 out. Relax. Now, anchor your mind onto your palm. That means, in other words, feel what is happening on your palm. Any tingling sensation, blood flow, anything. Just anchor so that we practice keeping our mind and body at one place in this present moment. The moment you start keeping your mind body into the present, you will see that the obstacle between you and the cosmic energy is gone. And you can experience the cosmic energy entering your head and into your body on your own experience. All we have to do is stop this continuous talk going into our head. We don't even have to stop it. The moment you come in present, it stops itself. Because in present you cannot think. In present you can only live. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Whole attention onto your palm. Anchor your mind onto your palm. One more time. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Very good. Anchor your mind onto your palm. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Become aware of the clothes touching your body. Become aware of the sound of silence. Become aware of the energy flow if it is started. Become aware of reduced thoughts. Do nothing, just become aware, just become witness to everything. We'll do Kapal Bharti, exhaling through stomach. Start. Thirty times. Only by nose. Only exhale. Do not inhale. Very good. Keep your eyes closed. Become aware of the silence. Start again. Kapal Bharti. 30 times in 1 second interval. Start. Force your breath out. Relax, keep your eyes closed. Take your attention to your ears and become aware of the sound of silence. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. One thumb onto your right nostril. Take long deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go with other nostril. Now close the other nostril. Breathe in. So first thumb, then breathe in, then close the other nostril. Breathe from this nostril. Alternate nostril breathing. Breathe in and out. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Take long and deep breathe out. Sit and relax now. Sit in a relaxed position with back straight. If you want to sit on chair, you can sit on chair. If you want to sit on couch, you can sit on couch. But once you acquired the position, next 10 minutes, try to be still into that. We are going to do humming meditation now today. In humming meditation, you have to keep your back straight, eyes closed, and all you have to do is start humming like this. Again, take breath in. While you are humming, you have to visualize that you are traveling through a dark tunnel, and I will give you instructions. I will take you onto the journey and bring you back. We start with the humming meditation. Take long deep breath in and start humming, visualizing dark tunnel. Visualize the dark tunnel. You are traveling through the dark tunnel. Keep humming. The whole vibration going into your body. Teeth on teeth, keep humming, traveling through the dark, deep tunnel. Whole body getting vibrations. Now you have reached to the other side of the hole, floating into the dark space. Let go of your body, rising up and up, floating in the darkness. You can feel the whole darkness surrounding you, and you have come out of the dark, deep, falling down into that. You just came out of that deep hole, now floating towards a distance light, trying to make your way like you are swimming into the darkness towards a dot of red light. You see a ray of hope in this darkness, and you start traveling towards that light, passionately, fast, trying to reach. You can feel the silence, you can feel the cold. Slowly, slowly that red dot is becoming bigger and bigger. You again start moving fast towards that light. You see a big dot and millions of small dots surrounding it, all are in red color. And suddenly you start realizing that you are also acquiring a red color. And you are moving fast towards the group of that red dots, and you can visualize a bigger red dot, all getting bigger as you go near and near. And on the reflections, the whole space is getting red. You are traveling towards the source of that light. As you reach near, you see this giant red big circle with small red dots sitting surrounding. And you see one empty spot there, and you go and sit You look around. You see all these small dots sitting with you, and looking at that bigger circle, you can feel the silence, you can feel the bliss, you can feel the grace. Slowly, energy starts to move towards you from the bigger dot and start to feel you, and slowly you see that you are shining more brighter. More and more energy comes to you, and you can visualize yourself getting brighter and brighter. At the same time, you see the same energy wave going to every dot, also recharging them, getting more brighter and brighter. More filled with the grace, more shining. The whole space become red. When you feel fully charged up, you look at that big circle. You thank it for filling you with the divine bliss. And you pray to show the face. You look closely to that big great circle, so closely, trying to find the face. After looking at the face, you fold your hand, you say thank you, and start your journey back, floating backwards, visualizing all the red going away from you, far away, far away. Visualizing all the dots are flying away from the big great source. All are going on their own journeys, and you see this whole space going back. Again they are getting smaller. The bigger dot is getting smaller and smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller and smaller, till the time again everything turns into dark. Visualize yourself climbing through that deep dark hole, floating upwards. Floating upwards, You can see white light coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. You came out of that hole and sat where you started. Feel your body, feel your surrounding, feel your hand. Feel the silence. Feel the blissfulness. Feel the peace inside you. Take long deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. And whenever you feel complete, whenever, there is no rush, whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Thank you very much for joining us today. May God bless you with this peace. You may always get filled with all this blissfulness. May you always experience this peace. Not only you, the people surrounding you, whether it's in home or in office or anywhere. In anyone's life you go, you bring peace, joy. And I hope that the face you looked at has revealed itself to you. In the deep down of our own being, we all are connected to the source. And in the depth of meditation, we can visit the source and get recharge anytime we want. It's not that the source is not available. It's always that we are very busy doing other things. But one day, we all have to go back to that source. And knowingly and unknowingly, in the deepness of our sleep, every day we visit this source. It's just that we don't know. In the whole night sleep, there is 10 minutes when you go to that source and come back. It's just that because you are visiting unconsciously, that you don't remember. But in meditation, you can go consciously and come back consciously. If you don't mind, you can write in your comment what you saw in that big circle. And I'm going to play bhajan. And if you are online, just say hello so I can reply back, so I know who all were there. And also share how did you feel? What did you experience? Because when you share your experience, like I share my experience with everyone, you all feel good. So everyone feel different experiences in meditations. Share your experience. When you share your experience, people get mesmerized. Oh, this can also happen, this can also happen, this can also happen. And you don't have to worry because you are in the experience hand. Because when you do meditation, when you do time traveling, when you do source traveling, when you go in the depth of your own being, you need an experience hand. And I can assure you, my hand is with you. I will hold you tight. I will take you, bring you back safely. So share your experience, say hello in the comments. I am reading and we'll listen to this bhajan. If you have some work, you may go. If you don't have any work, you can sit for next 10 minutes, write your comments, and I'm going to play bhajan and we all sing together. And also I am reading and then your experience, and I am reading and also responding to you. And once the bhajan is finished, we finish our session. Sit with your eyes closed.
मोहना मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा
मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा
मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा
मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा
कृष्णा गोविंद कृष्णा कृष्णा गोविंद कृष्णा मन मोहना मोहना
कृष्णा मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा
कान्हा गोपाला
गोपाला
कान्हा गोपाला
गोपाला
मन मोहना मोहना
कृष्णा मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा
कृष्णा गोपाला
कृष्णा गोपाला
कृष्णा गोपाला
कृष्णा गोपाला
मन मोहना मोहना
कृष्णा मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा मोहना मुरलीधरा
कृष्णा गोविंद कृष्णा कृष्णा
Thank you very much for joining. Have a lovely evening and we see you again tomorrow 6:30. As I said, do share all the posts, all these things so that we can bring this joy, this peace in every human being. This is our community service. Thank you so much for joining us, and I see you tomorrow. Till then, good night.